Meow Hero, our furry champion, was enjoying his favorite superpower, napping in a sunbeam. All was peaceful, but a faint, distant hum began to vibrate through the floorboards. It was the dreaded rumble beast, the vacuum cleaner, stirring from its lair. His whiskers twitched, a tiny ripple of unease disturbing his perfect peace. Suddenly, the rumble beast roared to life, a monstrous, sucking maw advancing across the carpet. Meow Hero, with lightning speed, for a cat who just woke up, leaped onto the couch. He watched, eyes wide, as it devoured dust bunnies and rogue kibble, getting closer to his favorite napping spot. This wasn't just a cleaning, this was an invasion. He had to strategize. As the rumble beast neared his sunbeam, Meow Hero unleashed his secret weapon, a perfectly timed, dramatic yawn, followed by a casual stretch that knocked over a small, empty Amazon box right into the vacuum's path. The rumble beast choked, sputtered, and then went silent as the human untangled the box. Meow Hero, having saved the day, in his nap spot, slowly sauntered back into the warm sunbeam, giving the silent machine a victorious, albeit sleepy, glare. Another day, another crisis averted by Meow Hero. If you love Meow Hero's perfect plan, why not claw that subscribe button for Story Nest? And give this video a treat-worthy double tap.